Here I've got my InSinkErator Badger 1 series with 1/3 horsepower. I got this off Amazon about a year ago and I've really enjoyed this. As you can see right here, installed on the bottom of the sink. The installation process was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Once you get it mounted to the bottom of your sink, get all of your water lines hooked up here, really was not too bad. But the functionality of this bad boy is it's got a dual motor in here, and it is chewed up pretty much everything I put in here. I've put some, bigger chunks of fruit and things just to see how it handled it, and it's done a really good job. So it's still held up now. I've not had any issues with it in the past. I've had garbage disposals just go out on me within the first year. This one is churning along beautifully. So anybody that's looking for a really solid garbage disposal, definitely check out the InSinkErator Badger 1 series. It's worked well for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did.